Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get fuller lips. So if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. But before proceeding, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Also press the bell icon near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be posting video every single week. If you want to know more about me, all my social media details will be down below in the description box. So you can follow me there. You can follow me on Instagram especially. I post regularly there. So if you want to know how to get juicy and fuller lips, please keep on watching. A disclaimer, ignore my no makeup face because I have a bit of very bad breakouts on my cheeks, so I have to keep my face, my skin makeup free and my pores unclogged. So I am not wearing any makeup except a bit light coat of mascara of filling here and there on my brows. So let's roll with this. So this is how my lips look before plumping. I have naturally pigmented lips, so this is how it looks. The first step to get a plump lips is to get rid of the dead skins on your lips by scrubbing your lips well. So I'm going to use a toothbrush like this which has softer bristles, and I'm gonna take Vaseline petroleum jelly. You can also use your lip balm. I'm going to dip this brush into Vaseline and scrub my lips well. The next step is to remove the excess lip balm using a tissue or a wet wipe. While scrubbing, make sure that you are not going very harsh with your brush. Just be soft and gentle because the skin on your lips is very sensitive and very thin, like the skin under your eyes. So be gentle while scrubbing your lips. The next step is to line your lips. So here I am going to use Wet n Wild lip pencil in Fab Fuchsia. This is the shade. So this is how I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to start from the middle, contour the sides of my mouth or my lips, and define my cupid's bow using this lip pencil. While defining your cupid's bow, make sure that you're going a little bit above your natural line. That is how I prefer. Once you have done something like this, just try and join the gaps with the corner. Now it's time to fill in your lips. On top of this, I'm going to use NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Ruffle Trim. This is my favorite nude. It is peachy nude color and it is suitable for fair to medium skin tones. Once this is done, the next step is to bring the lower lip a bit forward to get that juicy plump lip. So for that I'm going to take a brown lip liner and draw underneath the lower lip a bit to bring that lift to the lower lip. So this brings your lower lip forward, and that is how you get a good full lips. Now on top of this I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow, or you can use your bronzer underneath to give a shadow under my lips. And the final step is to some shiny gloss or a diamond gloss. This is Maybelline's diamond gloss in the shade Chocolate Glitters. So this is how the gloss looks like. It is kind of brown, nudie brown glittery gloss. So this is the shade of the gloss. I'm going to take this much of gloss and I'm going to use my pinky finger. Take tiny amount of gloss and pop it in between, like in the middle of the lower lip. And also take some and pop it near or in between your cupid's bow. So this is how I do my fuller lip during any occasions. I never go for a fuller lip every time. I do it only during occasions. So let me show you the close-up of the lip.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.